get a vote of thanks from one of the...
Mufango uyu ukite ndukoni ni thutha wa kwirikana ati kuri na unyihu wa maai ona thengia gukorwo murimu wa coronavirus urenda andu marahuthira maai niguo kuiga utheru. Na kuumana na thina uyu wa wagi wa maai icigo-ini ici, kiama kia andu kiumbe unyitaniri na kia muingi ni merutire guthomithia aikari a guku mwena wa Suswa kaunti-ini ya Narok, ona ningi mwena wa Lapland, mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, kuria kwirikanite ati nikuo kugumiirwo muno makiria ni mathina ta maya ma wagi wa maai ona ningi umenyo wigie murimu uyu.
Basically, we have been here today in Suswa to participate in distribution of hand washing tanks given by our partners from the BDDB, and also to reinforce our commitment to provision of water and hand washing tanks to our communities during this COVID-19 period.
Kuringana na muikariri giti kiama-ini giki Josephat Kimemia augite ati monete kwagiriire mathomithia andu niguo makorwo makimagitira kumana na thina wothe uhoro uria ukindiritwo ni murugamiriri munene kiama-ini giki masiko-ini.
Now giving lessons to those who are interested. The lessons have already started at Lapland up there and also at Suswa. We want our people, the community, to be empowered with knowledge. At least they can be able to read and write.
Listen to them wakikuja kwa community and support them whenever wanakuja kuwa inform na kuwa sensitize about issues that are affecting the community.
Oho Kimemia ni ongereire na kuga ati thina uyu wa maai ni ukunyihanyiha kuona ni manyitanire na kambuni cia KenGen oro undumwe na akira niguo guteithiriria hari kuhitana na thina uyu.
So we thought it's important for us to focus on skill development so that we empower the youths around.
We are doing rehabilitation of our water supplies in the entire county so that we can ensure there is continuous supply of water.
Mwena-ini wa aria magunikite na matangi ma maai maria maheanitwo guku ni monanitie gikeno kiao makiuga ati thina wa murimu uyu ndunginatangikiirwo na njira ingi. Uyu ni Lawrence Karani, umwe wa aria magunikite.
Maji hapo awali ilikuwa kisukumkuti kabisa, hatukuwa na maneno ya maji. Hii matangi yenye imeletwa itaenda kusaidia community sana kwa kunawa mikono.
Ginyagia riu matangi maria maheanitwo ni 20 oro undumwe na thabuni wa gwithamba moko. Giribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.